still installing this ladder or scaffolding. And the problem here, not really problem, but it takes time a little bit because of the rusty already. Some parts is rusty. And I need to paint this. I have to paint this. And clean first and clean and paint. Yeah, clean and paint. Because we use this for a long time. I'm going to install this. It's very important because for safety purposes. Safety. Yeah. Okay. Installing the this one I'm going to lock. Okay. Now good. It's lock. This bolt here, just put this hole over here. No moving anymore. Over here too. It's locked. When you're working, it's locked. But how can you come up here? You close this, you have to open again. Okay, that's open. Like that. Okay. Doing this, boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Masaya. Going to remove this first. Masaya, I think I need my mask. Like this. You can suggest, I recommend this kind of scaffolding, and this is a good one because of, you see, it has wheels. It has a wheel, 4 wheels, of course, and you can push him wherever you want him to go. You can push him in which location you want him to be. So very nice, easy only to install. Like you have to install this first and this other one, and that's it. Last one. Okay, thank you and God bless.